What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be installing kill mat in the doors. So if you've seen my previous video on 5 things that the Ranger could improve on, is I just hate how the doors sound, and they sound it sounds like a tin can going down the road every time like a rock hits it, or even when I open and close the door, it's a very hollow noise. So today I'm going to be working on fixing that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, to take off both the front and rear doors are exactly the same steps, same methodology. So you have to take out 5 T25 Torx bits. So the first thing we're going to have to do is take out this panel here. It's going to reveal 2 out of the 5, and there's going to be 1 behind the door handle. Just take a little flathead screwdriver, pop this panel out, and then there is 2 of the Torx bolts down here. So for a total of 5. So with the panels out now, you can see the remaining bolts are here and here. For the front, is the only slight difference is this piece here would come out as well. It's all just one giant piece in the front, whereas the back doors is just the portion you see missing. Alrighty, so what you're going to want to do next is, essentially with the tab remover, you're going to stick them in here, and there's tabs all around the edge of the door card. Once you remove those 5 T25 screws, you just pop it out, and then the door card will come out. You just will have to pull up, because it sits on like a ledge up here. Pull up, and then you'll be able to get it up and out of the way. In order to get the door card fully off, there are a few things that you got to unplug. You got to unplug this, which is the window switch, just a tab here. You actually have the door latch, which is this little tab here that you press in, and it pops out super easy. Then for the door buttons, to unlock and lock the door buttons, is this switch here that you just press this little black tab here. It comes out super easily. And then you have this guy, who you can see there's like a tab that it sits on that you just slide it out and it comes out super easy. So then next thing you have to do is take off this like water mat, I don't know what you want to call it. It has like a, I don't know, almost like a sticky putty on the back that you can just essentially just start peeling off. Comes off pretty easily, and you just essentially do that all the way around until you get this mat out of the way. Obviously, once you get that mat out, you're going to want to clean inside the door. Obviously, it's going to be dirty, so that way the kill mat has a good clean surface to adhere to. Alright, so how I layered it inside the door, I put 2 whole mats on the bottom of this bar here, and then I put 2 strips that go all the way down, essentially a mat cut down into strips, a full mat cut down into strips, going all along the bottom. I figured because the road noise, obviously it's coming from, most of the noise is going to be coming from the bottom of the door. And then I put 1 full mat up top. You could, if you wanted, put another mat here. I just didn't feel like doing it. I think that was more than enough for what I need. Alrighty, so I've done the front door of the truck, haven't done the rear, just so you can see the sound difference. Hopefully the microphone picks it up. Even the actual door handle, when you pull it open and close it, it just sounds more premium now. Versus the rear. For the rear is definitely a lot more difficult because you really only have this little hole to work with to slide all the mats in and to stick your hand through. So it definitely is a lot more of a mission. So I put one full mat up top, and then I put one full mat in the front, and then almost a full mat, probably like 3/4 of a mat in the rear. And that's what I ended up doing. I'm probably going to end up maybe putting a smaller piece of mat here, but again, it's kind of a pain. I think that'll be more than enough for some sound insulation, prevent that road noise. It sounds already 20 times better for the rear door. So after installing these mats, I did some driving around, and it is definitely significantly quieter in the cab. Not only does the door now, when you open the handle, it sounds way more premium, and even closing the door, but the sound quality inside the cab is obviously quieter. From my experience of just driving down the road, even on the highway, it's much quieter in the cab, and honestly a great upgrade, and really doesn't take that long. It's more time consuming on figuring out how I was going to position the kill mats within the door than actually taking off the door panels. Once you take off one door panel, the other ones come out super easy. So definitely recommend this mod for your Ranger. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more off-roading and overland adventures, and I'll see you guys in the next video.